I won't. Hey, GEWLS. Go away! Okay. Could you bring the board and the raspberries? Thank you. What is wrong with me? My mother must be so disappointed in me. Look at me.
Oh, no, 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 no.
What is that? He's not recording now. No, you won't be in it. What I thought today is I was like, Grace, what's your favourite thing? And that's a hard one, but I narrowed it down to one thing. James Charles palette. Love it more than anything in the world. I'll die for it. So, look at that. Look at that. Thought, I love James Charles and I love his palette. What else do I love? Play-Doh. So I thought I'd mix the best palette in the world with the best thing in the world. And I'd make James Charles palette out of Play-Doh. Just realising how hard this might be.
2 hours later.
So I could have chosen cheaper ones, but I wanted the most colours. So I ended up paying £20 for this, which I will never use again. Got 60 colours. So the base is going to be black. No, there's only 3 black. I've got a story about Play-Doh. This stuff's so good, but I remember I got it when I was younger in a magazine. And being Grace, what did she first think? I'm gonna eat this. And my mum's driving, she turns around and she just hears me going, that was nice. So what I'm thinking, so I've got 2 bits, one for the top, one for the bottom. This is what we're working with at the moment. Looks like a pothole. Doesn't really look like a palette. Oh my god, this reminds me of chewing gum you find on the science tables. You know that when you put your hands under the table and you're just fiddling, and then you come across this and you touch it, and it's either so hard it falls in your hand, or it's still fresh. There we go. Sick. So this is my progress so far. Awful. Oh, that looks so bad. It's fine, it's fine. Positive thoughts only. It looks so bad. Yay. So now what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to do the pinks. So the base of the palette is done. Not my greatest work, no. Someone asked who this was for and I said my cousin. Not going to say me, of course. Like, what would they think? Like I walk in and I'm like, hi, have you got any Play-Doh? And they go, oh yeah, sure, let me show you. And goes, oh, who's this for? And I just went, me. What would they think? They'd think this absolute idiot. They would have thought this girl, 17 or 18 years old, decided on half-term Tuesday night that instead of going out with her friends, out anywhere, she's buying Play-Doh. This isn't much better. You're playing with it with the excuse that you're making a YouTube video. Life's not going that great, is it? That's okay. looks like you're holding a dead animal. So that's it then. Did it work? No. Absolute fail. Did not recommend. Play-Doh is not a palette making product. Thanks for joining, GEWLS. Probably be another video tomorrow. And stay shy. No, that is so wet. No, I need something to say at the end of the videos, like GEWLS out. No.